Hello friends and hello student. In this session we learn the triangle star pattern in C language. So different type of triangle we have to print using the star asterisk sign. So here I fix the position and open the Turbo C++ editor and take some time, and now is open Alt F and take new file, and here write a program to print star triangle, okay, and pattern. I said it. So star triangle pattern program. So let us start. You have to know. And here I start different type of star pattern program, triangle shape. So also we can print in different shape also, like timer shape we can print also using the star. So here so many different style is there. So we can print for simple style and then we can convert in different shape. So here I take like I, j and n, that is a three integer variable, and I is for outer loop, j is for inner loop, and n for number of row. Okay, so you can also take r variable row for and enter number of we can say that yes rows, and then scan the our percentage d and n variable. Okay, so and then start our outer loop I equal to 1, I less than equal to n, and then I plus plus, so that is a fix now. And then inner loop we can take like j equal to 1, j less than equal to I, and j plus plus. Okay, and then here we can print our star sign. So that is print a simple asterisk, and then in outer loop here that is slash n we have to put. So one inner loop is round complete, then new line or star is appear. So you have to know very well, I think. So simple star we have to first print. So I first save this star pattern. So star star, and we can say that underscore triangle and dot c shape. Okay, dot c means that C file, otherwise that C++. So there are C program is there, and now I compile. Yes, there is a exe is generated, no warning, no error, and let us run this first 5 row. So that is a one per row element. We can one row, one star, two row, two star, three row, three, four, and five. Yes, so very simple. Here you can now understand that is outer for loop turn is I equal to 1 only one time initialize, but inner loop is initialize every time j is a 1 and then start. So over one row and j less than equal to I, so every time that is a taking number of star according to I. So I is 1, then 1 star, I is 2, so 2 star. So that is a controller loop, we can say that that outer loop, and inner loop always run that print the our required star. Okay, now we can take here our shape is, you can know here our shape is a we can say that at right position we can how to shift the left position. So that is important part. So now we can start some important logic, and here our screen sp, so we can take one for loop to every star to go in the middle of the screen. So sp first we can initialize 1, and then sp is less than not equal to 40, just less than, and sp means space sp plus plus. So just s you have to take, so like looking 5, so I just sp 2 character variable and one blank. So now what happened, that star go in the middle because our monitor column size is 80 and row is a 25. So here I just save and then run. Yes, what happened, yes, let us take. So yes, our justification is a left side. Okay, and all star print in middle of the screen. Okay, so that is a happen. So how we can take in the shifting or here right side is print. Now left side I again shift. So here just change is required. Here our pace I give the I, only one change is required. So what happened? So I is one, then one blank space is our star go in the left part, and then I plus plus two star is go in the left side. So that is always happen. So we can initialize that number of pace is a less to our pace in 40. So first we can say that I is 1. So 1 to 40 is pace, then I is 2. So 1 pace is 2 star is print. So that we can I plus plus. So 38 pace is provided. Then I plus plus 3, 37 pace is blank. So here what happened? Yes, so our pattern is changed. Yes, look left. Our shape is changed, left to right. So right to left, left to right. Again, we have to go here, just normal change. Here we can provide one. So our shape like first left, now is right. Yes. So that is a right shape. So here magic is there, some simple magic here. Provide the I, so that number of pace is less in the that loop. Okay, so I we have to just initialize. So that is our changing. Okay, so now new magic. We can say that magic of we can this after providing this loop, we can take the triangle shape to pyramid easily. Here I just in print that star I provide one blank. So our triangle shape in converting the pyramid. So let us yes. So that is a very simple. Okay. So I think there are three patterns we have to see: left, right, and triangle converting the pyramid shape. Okay, so that is a I think better simple way. And now next we have to change, and then we can in reverse order. Okay, so how we can take here our outer loop we have to change. So here I initialize I equal to directly n, then condition change I is greater than equal to 1 and I minus minus, and all remaining no change. Here 2 for loop is as it is. So let us, and first here we can provide only one SP, and also I remove this blank. So what star is print, then that is a fourth shape we have to print. Yes, let us do. So that is reverse order, our left, yes, left our triangle shape. So reverse order 5 4 3 2 1. Yes, so that is a very simple. Okay, now we can again left to right. So how that is, just you can change here again I. Yes, so that is very simple. Yes, so let us check how it's shaped. That is a fifth. We have to change that part. Yes, so left to right is gone. So that is a convert. Just so there is simple magic. We can assign our loop is I2 that 1 to I and 1 I to 1. So left to right, right to left. And again, I convert this is a triangle to pyramid, 6 pattern. We can say that. So let's yes. So that is a reverse order. Previously, our triangle to pyramid, that is a 6 pattern. So only change simple. You can, there are 6 pattern in one program. I can show you. Okay, so that is a happen. And now we can same. I just copy this all. Yes, I just copy these all things and paste here. And now our last, you can see our watch. Yes, I just first show you. So that is our pattern. So in reverse order, now we can convert this in correct order, that for loop. So I just copy all these things, and here I assign again I 1 and less than n. Yes, and then I plus plus. So what happened? Yes, now let us check. So I think very important, that is a, we can say the timer shape pattern. Now look at the timer shape, and also some magic I can done for you. So what is a magic? Colorful our triangle pyramid. So how it colorful? So we can take some change here in that shape. I take the bracket because we can take the that text color is there, and here you can set the red. Okay, so text color, and here if you color print out, then see not simple printf, that C printf. Okay, and then I just close and just uh, copy these two line to in below of part. Yes, here. So I just paste this. So yes, that is a not copy perfect. So I just okay. Now we can type just only. So here better typing because only one line is there. Text color. Okay, so that is a color of that is a function inbuilt, and then we can provide here in a like first is red, so yellow. Yes, yellow shape in capital. Yes, and then C printf, that is I show you in help library. So here C printf in small. Yes, caps lock is on. So now I close and then so first I show you and then we can take the yes H alter H help menu and text color, that is a yes here text background also you can provide and text color, and that is a console conio input output that will not require any extra header file. So text color set a new character color in the text mode and he can pass also integer. Okay, so let us look that give some example here also. So in below of that here help library and last yes that is a text background and color. So look that text color I plus 1 and then text background is I, so every time that is a change, and then use the C printf. So what is a C printf? So again I alter h1 and alter h1 and then index is come and then we can see printf function. Yes, so that is also conio and standard. So that is a C printf, send the formatted and here output to text window on the screen. So that is our goal, and that the syntax is same as our printf function. So that is only color taking, that time color we have to apply. So we cannot use normal printf but C printf use. So that is a taking in window. So that is colorful output. Okay, so I just X and compile. Yes, there is no any error, and let us check what happened. So yes, look at our red and yellow color of that timer shape. We can say that timer shape triangle stars pattern. Okay, and how we can also blinking, that is magic. Now start I, what is a magic? So here I can just plus sign. Yes, and then plus and then capital blink. Yeah, okay, so okay, so blink, and here also give the blink. Yes, plus color text color and blink. uh, BL, yes, BLNK, blink. Yes, so that is correct. Let us, yes, okay, blink spelling mistake. So here, BLINK, yes, blink, BLINK, yes, that is, yes, now I think that okay, yes, let us, yes, now is okay. And let us how it's blink. So yes, that is a blinking. So that is, we can say that magic, yes, now. And also how we can delay that I or no now improve more, and here we can provide the, you have to know very well, one function is there and caps lock one is there. So I first off close caps lock key, and then here we can those dot h, so you can know delay function is there. So here I provide the delay function, so here, and then here in between, so delay, and then 500. Okay, and then also in below of that here provide the delay. Yes, so that is also important, some delay, and then come output and like a magic. So I first F2 save, yes, and compile again. Yes, there's no any error, and now let us take, yes, now magic is start. So yes, look, that is a look better. So that is a blinking and delay sum. So that is like a magic. So that is a triangle. So I hope you can understand. Very important session for you. There is no so many things you have to learn. Yes. So timer is a blinking. Yes. So I think you can end that magic, like very important. So many we have to here use important logic. So simple to we can go in step by step to very timer shape like a star sign. So here two, or you can say that in three new function for you: text color, delay, and C printf. And also let us last I text background color. Okay, and that is also we can provide like what background color. So you can so many color is there. So um, red is there, yellow is there. So blue is not taking. You can take. Okay, so first. Okay, also we can take the brown or that the combination. Okay, here we can pass the I, so that is also change every time. Let us look how it print. So first we can take in first part. Okay, no error is there. Let us take. Yes. So yes, now every that is red is there mixing, so that is not printed. So I is a yes, so that is a now all is okay. So that is a background also we have to provide. Okay, but fourth row is not print because background is a red, so that is a not print. Okay, we can take like that green. Okay, so here we can provide all green. So let us how it look. Yes, here I green, I capital in. So yes, green, and also in same way here fix our background because I is a our one row is not a perfect print, so I just is here and let us check. Yes, I now last that is a background text color, text background color means so what. Yes, now that green all, so that is fixed now. So red is a display, but that not look better to previous or magic, so that is also like a background. So I think you can very important. Yes, some shape is also different type like look like because that is just like a stair. Okay, or ladder. Yes, so here we can that. Okay, so you can like that shape or that background color you can write, otherwise just give the comment line. Okay, so I think you can enjoy an important simple triangle to so many six pattern, and then after we can seven pattern as a timer shape of star sign and providing the text color, background color, delay function, and C printf. So here you can learn the four different type of function and also blink color as a blink. So all are magic in this program. So write this program to your notebook and enjoy. And now wait for upcoming triangle pattern, all more program, Pascal pyramid, Floyd, some type of different shape is there pattern. Okay. So I close this session, Alt F3 function key, and quit Alt X. Yes, and hope you enjoy this session. Subscribe my channel Ashok Srijal Academy, press the bell icon, and any doubt for this definition or any other program or C program or any other program, write in comment section and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to never miss to update. So I upload my video lecture, you can one get the notification. Okay, so I hope and thanks and Hare Krishna.